Do you want to grow your business by, say, 15, 30%, scale your business, do bigger numbers? Well, about 2 weeks ago, I challenged myself to go from 3 retail arbitrage days a week, going to the stores, to 1.5 days a week. And what that resulted in is just focusing a whole lot more on replenishments and seeing what I could repeat buy. A replenishment is just something you've sold in the past and you can buy and sell some more because it's not a clearance item, it's not a one-off item. That's how you grow your business. So let's talk about a very simple way, because there's several ways to do replenishments. Let's get into it. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel I talk about ways you can improve your Amazon business, personal development, and also share some goals with you. So today is going to be about replenishments. Replenishments are everything, people, because this is how you buy 8, 20, whatever, 40 of a quantity of a single product and really scale your business up. It's cool to get the clearance items, it's cool to find those kinds of things, but this is really how you're going to grow, and it's going to help with the wear and tear on your vehicle and on yourself. So if you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. One of the first things that I do is I like to look it up either by the store name or by the brand name. So here I have Walgreens, so I would pick a time frame and I would look at all the Walgreens items and get prepared before I go to Walgreens so I know exactly what to buy. We're just going to take, now if I did this by brand, I might look up Band-Aid and then search for them that way. If you're just doing receipts, the process is still the same. Luckily, the VAs type up all my receipts so that I can have them searchable and such. But if you don't have it, it's still the same process. Just might take a little bit more. So we're going to take this first item, this Jarrow formula, which, by the way, I did get an IP claim on this item, so it's not a recommendation. Please don't buy this product. They tend to hit people with IP claims. Now, I've already logged into my Amazon Seller Central. I've gone to inventory. I've gone to manage inventory. And I just put in Jarrow formula. I might have put in the ASIN usually, but I wanted to keep it so I had to cover up less of my store name stuff and make this easy on me. So as you can see down here where the cursor is, I got this Jarrow formula, pack of 2, whatever, 60 V caps for $23.80, and there's 0 in stock. So this is a good sign so far. If we take this a step forward, we'll go over to orders and go down to manage orders, and there we'll pull up to this page. We'll also find that item and we'll be able to tell kind of what the velocity of that item is. So let's say 6 sold in a month, okay? And we bought 6. Well, I'd probably get 6 more next month, but not quite yet. So up to this point, step 1, find the product, pull it into Amazon, figure out current inventory. Step 2, go to manage orders, pull up the orders, see kind of what's selling in about a month to 2 month time frame, depending on what your time frame is. Mine's 2 months, so that's what I do from there. Then the third step is go into Inventory Lab and actually plug in that product, see what kind of money you're making off of that product. So we could see typically it's like a $9 profit. This one down here is 16 is actually wrong. I didn't enter a buy cost, but this gives you an idea of the profit that you're actually making from the item. So at this point, things are looking awesome. They're looking really, really good. We know that based on this item, that quantity we bought is wiped out. We need to replenish it, but we still want to check one more thing, and that is the 4th step, the keep it chart. So what kind of price action is it having for the last 3 months? $18.99, that kind of time frame. It looks like, yeah, somewhere right in there. What does the year look like? Depending on how fast you sold them. I mean, if you bought these in a week and they sold out a week, then I'd keep the time frame shorter, but maybe it's not quite like that. Then I just take a look at the used and new category and see how many are selling. Now, I'm not going to click on this now, but just want to see kind of what the competition is and base that off of how many I should buy. Now, just a note, this isn't an actual keep a chart. This is a tool I use called FBA Multi-Tool. From this point, we know that they have this product. We've bought 2. They've all sold, and we know how many sold, and we know that they're still profitable. They look good. We made money on it. And now I would create another spreadsheet, make that spreadsheet so that I can take a look at these kinds of things in more depth by bringing this actually to the store with me to buy the item. So what we're going to do is just create a spreadsheet of this. I'm just creating a copy, and then I'm just going to take that ASIN, the title, and the price. And I'm going to wipe, well, maybe I'll push everything down. And what I'm doing is essentially just creating just something simple. It doesn't have to be fancy. on, oops, on what exactly I'm looking for when I get to the store. So again, let's say you bought the quantity of 2 and they sold out in 2 weeks. I want at least 2 months of quantity, so I would maybe buy 6 to 8, and then I would just have that in there and ready to go. So again, it's your formula may be a little bit different. You could tweak this as you'd like, but this is basically what you're looking at. Now, just a little side note, you may want to include a couple more details on here. So I'll actually click that edit, upload the product in here to see what the UPC is, and I'll add that also on that replenishable thing in terms of this is a UPC. Sometimes you might have to add pictures, sometimes you might have to do that. But again, the big idea here is to actually scale your business, less wear and tear on your body, on you, because this is replenishment is how you make money. Clearance is nice, all those things are nice, but they just aren't long-term game plans. So let me know if you have any comments below, anything I need to explain a little further, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you.